guys, I already did my primer, so I'm just putting on my Fenty foundation. I don't put too much on just because this is actually almost enough for like my whole face. But my beauty blender is very much damp, and it's also been setting in the freezer, so I can go ahead and get all the foundation all over my face. This technique is actually really good, especially if you're trying to do something more natural. And I just try to put some on both sides of my face. Don't mind the eyebrows, I'm gonna get them arched. So yeah, don't mind them. They've been growing for like 2 months. Oh, I'm sorry, I was smiling at my boyfriend. Yes, he's fine though. He's fine. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do. I just keep dapping on my face. So as you can see, I was smoking, but I did not show you guys that I was smoking. But as I was doing this, I was getting lit. I was getting real high. Real high. Little kids do not get high, but if you know, you know. Anyways, as you can see, I was making sure that I get all of the spots around my chin area before I get to the other side of my face. I pretty much do this all over, especially because you know you want to make sure you get everything. I also put the foundation over my eyebrows because it gives it a better look when I do like line out my eyebrows. Oh yes, look at that smoke. You guys, I get my marijuana from the dispensary, so yes, medical. Anyways, as you can see, I'm pretty much just patting it all over my face just to make sure I get it all over. I remove my bonder bag because I usually just put foundation on the top of my forehead. As you can see, I really don't need that much because this actually stretches really good all over my face. So don't mind my foundation for my weave, my wig. What I was trying to do is I was trying to hold the blunt and put some mascara on my eyebrows, and this is just to darken my eyebrows just a little bit. Next I'm going to outline my eyebrows before I actually fill them in with this eyebrow dip from Morphe. I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry if I said it wrong, but pretty much just do this with both eyebrows. So hold me a little longer. Y'all be just trying to figure out what to do with myself when it comes down to my eyebrows, on whether if I want to like blend them in now or do I want to wait till like the end. But usually that's just pretty much on what I do. I still have to blend in my hand, trying to do two things at once, as you can see. Your eyebrows is supposed to be sisters, not twins, okay? So that one come for me. My eyebrows is sisters, not twins. So don't mind my bonnet. I love my bonnet. So this, oh my god, this is the mother freaking truth. You feel me? This Morphe liquid setting, I don't know what to call it. Pretty much it's for your eyebrows. It pretty much like sets your eyebrows in place instead of using like soap or got to be glue or any of those things. This thing is the mother freaking truth. You feel me? So that pretty much is just gonna set. Is pretty much wet, but I'm gonna like fix it up. Right now, I don't even know what I was doing. I think I was just trying to figure stuff out. Oh, okay. So now we're gonna go in with my Morphe eyebrow liner, and I usually just put this one in. I know it's light. You guys. It's okay because I will be blending the freak out these eyebrows underneath these eyebrows. So you're gonna see exactly how I do my eyebrows. Oh, don't mind me. I was giving my boyfriend the blunt or whatever, because he was like, "Hand me the blunt." I'm like, all right, cool, back. Say no more. So I pretty much did hand it to him. I was definitely faded. Like, I was faded. I don't know if you could tell by my eyes, but I was definitely faded. But I do my makeup high all the time. So this is just me on a regular. But look, let's get into that makeup look. Let's get into it. You feel me? And oh, the best part about it, you can go in with your hand. I don't try to go in with the brush after I blend it out, because I like to go in with my hand because it gives it more of a natural arch. So and then I clean it up with some Fenty foundation just so that it'll look more natural. And I do that with both sides. Most of my makeup is from Fenty and Morphe. I think that's how you say it. I do apologize if I said the name wrong. Let's see. And pretty much what I do is I blend it out in between. And I use my finger again because my finger is just the best. I was talking shit to my boyfriend, so don't pay me no mind.
Hands, as long as I'm with you, I know it's just you and I, baby.
And I think I was listening to music. Like, when you saw me moving back and forth, I think I was listening to music. I think I had music playing. I'm not quite sure. I don't remember. I don't remember. So, me being a perfectionist, I really keep going in with my eyebrows just to make sure that it looks natural but not overly drawn. With my two fingers, overly drawn. So I pretty much showed you guys I have two different utensils for my eyebrows, one for my actual brow and one for the contour of my brow. So that's what you've seen. The next thing I'm gonna use, oh my god, I use this palette, the True palette from Target. Baby, this palette is my go-to. This is my everything to contour. To contour a simple look. Baby, get that palette. Go get that palette. You feel me? Go get it. Go get it. But as of right now, I'm just going in just a little bit, just to outline like the way my face look, the way, you know, just the contour just a little bit. Nah, but for real though, just the contour just a little bit, just to keep it as natural as possible. This is what I do go into. So I just pretty much go around my face, go up my brow bone and my nose area and my chin. I have big lips, so I pretty much just contour like the bottom of my chin, and I pretty much just blend it out. Now I don't know exactly where I got this brush from. I know my boyfriend bought it for me, and baby, this brush, like the utensils he got me, I keep calling them utensils, these makeup brushes and stuff that my boyfriend got me, has been working wonders compared to any other brush that I got. So, and I'll keep blending and blending and blending. Now I'm just pretty much putting some foundation and stuff around my lips because I don't know, that's just something that I do. But pretty much just blending it out. Just blend, 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 blend until you can't blend anymore. Now, you're gonna see me do this process with my eyelashes a couple of times, only because I like my I like the mascara to be thick. So you might see me use more than one mascara on my eyelashes. Okay, so this is the second layer, and this one pretty much was giving me the definition that I needed with my lashes. So it might look like it's nothing on there, but I promise you it's stuff on there. I tried to put not too much but as little as possible, only due to the simple fact that when I put my lashes on, I don't want it to look all clunky and all the extra stuff underneath. Oh, I was talking real shit to my boyfriend. I don't know what I was laughing about, but I was definitely laughing. Don't mind my lace and stuff, y'all. I clean it off once I get finished. So this process, I pretty much just put the setting spray on top of my my face, just because this setting spray works wonders, and I got it from Sephora. I'll most likely leave all the things, all the products that I use in the description box. Just fanned it out because I wanted to hurry up and get finished so I can go ahead and put my lashes and stuff on. But as you can see, I pretty much just blended out just a little bit more, only due to the simple fact that when you're doing a setting spray, you want to make sure that it's smooth. You want to make sure it's smooth as possible. So now I'm just pretty much doing my lashes. It's going to take me a minute. You guys, I got this wig from Amazon for $45. Go get you one, sis. It definitely does take heat and everything. So I would suggest you to get a wig. I'm going to start doing videos for wigs on cheap wigs at that. So you just leave a comment below on what you guys want to see. So you guys, right here, I'm just showing you that I did put so for my lashes, I use hair glue. I do not use the lash glue. The hair glue sticks better, and I haven't had problems with lash glue. So I'm just gonna stick with what I know. But as you can see, I was just combing out my hair until my lash glue get a little tacky on my lashes, so I can put them on. You guys, when I first got this wig was freaking bomb as freak. But I'm gonna definitely get more wigs. I think I'm gonna get this wig again because this one was mad cute, and it's a HD lace, so it definitely came quick, and it was actually pretty bomb.
Baby, they don't know what we have and what we give. Love, you gotta sacrifice, you gotta take a risk. People think they know this love.
So as of right now, as you can see, I'm working my way from the bottom to the top. So that's probably why it looks like I'm pulling the crap out my hair, but I'm not. I just try to work it from the bottom to the top because you want to make sure that you get all of the hair, due to it being a synthetic wig that does take heat. And what I'm doing now, the heating serum that I'm putting on my hair is just to make it a lot softer, and to be able to get to the make the hair softer, so I can go ahead and comb it and brush it through, just so it will be a lot easier. As you can see, I'm finger combing it so I can go ahead and do my little layover with the hair. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but look at that. Look at that. That looks so cute. Okay, so now I'm about to apply my eyelashes. You might see me do this process twice because I like to make sure my eyelashes is on my eyelashes, and that is actually not going to come off. So you might see me do this process twice just to make sure. So as you can see, the left one look like it's on there more than the right one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm most likely gonna take them off and do it all over again. Up there I go. Alright, now I'm gonna do my lip liner. Oh my god, this freaking lip liner. You guys have to go get it. Go. Stop what you're doing and go get this lip liner. Go to Morphe and go get this lip liner. It's called Trendsetter. Go and get it. Because I promise you, bro, this shit is bomb. This lip liner is so bomb. I use it for my lips. I use it for my eyebrows. Bruh, it's the best. See, as you can see right here, I took it off. So I can put more glue on it, so I can go ahead and glue it back to my lash. I do this just to make sure that that I feel comfortable that it's not going to fly off. If I was to go outside and the wind blow, that shit should not fall off. That shit should not fly off. You feel me? So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna snatch off the other one too, so I can make sure that one stays on. As you can see, that go my glue bottle. That go my glue. See how easy it came off? But y'all can see, you can see the glue at the top. At the end, what I do is I actually rub my hand across the top of the lid part of my eye where the glue is, and I actually wipe it off with my hand. So, well, with my finger. Blow, sis. Blow that lash on.
People gon' talk, but baby girl, gon' tell them money business.
I pretty much was just fanning it because I want to make sure that it looks good. And just to give it a little bit more lift, I just tried to put the mascara underneath my eye where the lashes are. But thank you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and follow my Instagram, you guys. I will leave the links below. But if you guys want to see more videos, make sure you comment below. But thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye. I want you to be